Students, today we can study exercise 4.2 question number 8 to what is question? By using properties of determinants in question number 38 to 14 show that question number 8 in question number 8 two questions are there. Roman number 1 in here one determinant given, we have to prove that right side. First we can take LHS. LHS equal to a determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square, C square. Then, check the right side, we need A minus B, isn't it? How we will make A minus B? Second row minus, first row minus second row. That means you will get in here A minus B. You can do that applying R1. We are going to change. R1 we can write R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 equal to a determinant R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1, what you will get? 0. Isn't it? Then A minus B. In here A square minus B square. A square minus B square. We did R1 minus R2. Then second row and third row we can write as it is 1 B B square, then 1 C C square. The next step is, in here this A square minus B square we can write A minus B into A plus B, isn't it? Then write 0, 1, 1, A minus B, B, C, A minus B into A plus B, B square, C square. Next step is, check it, we got A minus B. From here, from first row we can take A minus B, isn't it? Then what is next? B minus C. Check it in here. How can make B minus C? That means second row minus third row, isn't it? Then you will get B minus C. Applying R2 we are going to change. R2 we can write R2 minus R3 equal to 0, A minus B is A minus B into A plus B. Second row 1 minus R2 minus R3 we are going to do. That is 1 minus 1, 0, isn't it? Then B minus C. Then B square minus C square. Then 1 C C square. Keep in mind this is our RHS. This part. RHS always look, I am going to write in one side. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. For checking only. This part, okay? That is RHS for checking. Then this B square minus C square also we can write B minus C into B plus C. 0, A minus B into A plus B, 0, B minus C, then this part we can write B minus C into B plus C, then third row 1 C C square equal to, then in first row what is common? A minus B we can take, in here also A minus B is there. From second row B minus C we can take outside. Take A minus B and B minus C. Then what are things remaining? That is, in here 0, in here 1, in here A plus B. 0, 1 in here, b plus c. Then 1 c, c square. Next, expanding. Along. Which row we will use? Otherwise, which column we will use? If you use first row, in here only 1 0, isn't it? If you use first column, what about first column? 2 zeros is there, isn't it? Then we can use along with first column. We will use first column because in here 2 zeros are there, isn't it? A minus b, b minus c. Then check its sign. 0 0 no need to use. Then 1 only. In here plus, this one will be minus, then plus. That means plus 1. Into, leave it, this 2, leave it. Then 1 into b plus c. That will be b plus c. Minus 1 into a plus b. That is minus a plus b. A minus b, b minus c, then b plus c. This minus give inside, minus a minus b. Minus b plus b cancel, then remaining a minus b, b minus c, in here c minus a. This is our RHS, check it. Because we are returning here a minus b, b minus c, c minus c. C minus a, that is our RHS. That's our answer. Now we can see Roman number 2. Question number 8, Roman number 2. Determine 1, 1, 1, ABC, A cube, B cube, C cube equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C. Then before starting this question, one formula you have to study. Lower class also you have studied. That formula is A cube minus B cube. What is A cube minus B cube? That is A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. This formula we will use in this problem. Keep in mind, you can write in one side in your notebook this formula. Then you can start solution. First take LHS. LHS equal to determinant 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A cube, B cube, C cube. Check it RHS. In here first A minus B we need. How can make in here A minus B? That is first column minus second column. Applying first column we are going to change C1. C1 we can write C1 minus C2. Check it in second row A minus B. You will get A minus B in here, isn't it? That way. Then 1 minus 1 0 A minus B. We are doing C1 minus C2. Then A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube. Then second column and third column write as it is. And then this RHS required. I am writing in here for checking A minus B, B minus C, C minus A plus B plus. That is our RHS. Then this one 0 A minus B. This A cube minus B cube how can write? Before we have written one formula, isn't it? Change it. A cube minus B cube we can write A minus B A square plus B square plus AB. This A cube minus B cube I change using by before that formula. Then 1 B B cube 1 C C cube. The next step, applying C2. Second column we are going to change. C2 we can write C2 minus C3. C2 minus C3. Then from here I am going to do two steps. From here we can take A minus B outside. Take A minus B outside. Then remaining 0 in here remaining, 1 in here remaining, A square plus B square plus AB. Then second column we are going to change, that is C2 minus C3. 1 minus 1, 0. Then B minus C. Then BQ minus CQ. Then 1 C CQ. A minus B. Then 0, 1, A square plus B square plus AB. Then 0, B minus C. This is B cube. B cube. BQ minus CQ, how can write? That we can write B minus C into B square plus C square plus BC. Using by that previous formula. Then 1 C C cube. Equal to A minus B into, from the second column, what is common? B minus C is there, in here also B minus C is there, isn't it? That B minus C take outside, that time we will get B minus C determinant 0, 1, A square plus B square plus AB. Then 0. In here B minus C I already took outside, then remaining only 1. Then in third row BC I took, B minus C I took outside, then remaining B square plus C square plus BC. B square plus C square plus BC. Then 1 C C cube. Okay. 1 C C cube. Now, in first row, 2 circles are there, isn't it? Then we can expand along with first row. Expanding along first row. A minus B and B minus. Okay, we can write same. When you expand, this will be plus, here plus, then next will be minus, this will be plus. That means plus 1. 1 we can write. Then leave it this two part, no, this part or this part. Then remaining 1 into B square plus C square plus BC. That same you will get 1 into B square plus C square plus BC. Multiple by 1, no use, isn't it? Then minus 1 into this A square plus B square plus AB. 1 into A square plus B square plus AB. Equal to A minus B, B minus C. Then B square plus C square plus BC. This minus give inside, that time you will get minus A square. Again minus given here, minus B square. Again minus given here, minus AB. B square minus B square cancel. A minus B, B minus C. Then next step is, we have to rearrange. We can write this C square and minus C square, right? Minus A square. C square minus A square, right? Together. Then plus BC minus AB, right? Together. A minus B, B minus C. This C square minus A square we can write. How can write? That we can write C minus A into C plus A. plus in last two terms b is common, take outside, then remaining c minus a equal to a minus b, b minus c. Inside the bracket, what is common? C minus a is there, in here also C minus a is there, take outside. Then remaining C plus a plus b. What is this? A minus b, b minus c, b minus c, c minus a, c minus a. This a plus b plus c, isn't it? If you need me to write a, b, c. C is our